If you're thinking about replacing the floors in your home, the first question you probably have is, what's this going to cost? In this video, we'll break down real flooring installation prices in Los Angeles for 2026, hardwood, laminate, tile, and vinyl. We'll cover all four, so you know exactly what to expect before you call a contractor. Let's start with hardwood flooring. Hardwood is the gold standard. It adds value to your home and looks beautiful for decades. In Los Angeles, solid hardwood installation typically costs between $8 and $15 per square foot, including materials and labor. Engineered hardwood is slightly cheaper, running $6 to $12 per square foot. For a typical 1,000 square foot project, that puts you between $6,000 and $15,000 total. The species of wood matters too. Oak is the most popular and affordable option. Walnut and maple cost more. Exotic woods like Brazilian cherry can push your cost above $20 per square foot. Now let's talk about laminate flooring. Laminate has come a long way in recent years. Modern laminate can look remarkably close to real wood. It's also much more affordable. In LA, laminate installation runs between $4 and $8 per square foot. For 1,000 square feet, you're looking at $4,000 to $8,000. Laminate is a great choice for rentals, bedrooms, and budget-conscious renovations. Next up in tile flooring. Tile is the top choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and entryways in Los Angeles. Ceramic tile installation costs between $5 and $10 per square foot. Porcelain tile is slightly higher, between $7 and $14 per square foot. Natural stone has marble, travertine, slate. Starts at $12 and can go well above $25 per square foot, depending on the material and pattern. For a 200 square foot bathroom, ceramic tile will run you about $1,000 to $2,000. A full kitchen floor in porcelain might cost between $2,100 and $4,200. Finally, luxury vinyl plank, or LVP. This is the fastest growing flooring category in Los Angeles right now. It's waterproof, durable, and looks great. LVP installation in LA costs between $3 and $7 per square foot. For 1,000 square feet, that's $3,000 to $7,000. It's the best value option for most homeowners. Now, what drives the price up or down? First, subfloor preparation. If your existing floor needs leveling, moisture barriers, or old flooring removal, that adds $1 to $3 per square foot. Second, the layout complexity. Diagonal patterns, herringbone, or custom borders cost more in labor. Third, transitions and trim. Baseboards, transitions between rooms, and stair nosing add up. Budget an extra $500 to $1,500 for a whole house project. Here's an important tip. Always ask your contractor what's included in their quote. Some quotes include material and labor, but leave out demolition, furniture moving, or subfloor prep. A detailed written estimate should break down every cost so there are no surprises. At Pro Hands Home Improvement, we provide complete, transparent estimates for every flooring project. We handle everything from demo to final trim installation, and we stand behind our work with a quality guarantee. If you're planning a flooring project in Los Angeles, visit prohandshome.com for a free estimate. And if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real pricing guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.